Alright guys, first and foremost, thank you for clicking on the video. And today I'm gonna just show you guys my little routine that I do with my beard grooming kit. So let's get right into this video. We'll go ahead and start with our first step, which is going to be our beard wash, or known as beard shampoo. So what this is going to help with is just going to help clean the hair and, you know, get a deep clean in there without irritating the skin. So just take your time with this. Make sure you really rub in that shampoo. And sometimes I just let it sit, if I'm being honest. I just really try and do a full coverage to the best abilities. And once when it's fully done, just rinse it out. Next, we'll be using our beard oil, and what this does is helps moisturize the hair and it helps promote growth. Something my barber told me was, you know, pretty much try and rub some on the areas that you might want hair to grow in and thoroughly rub it into your hair that's there, so that way it helps any hair that may be a little short or that's not full just yet.
Got a random text, I can feel the stress. You just acting different, now you saying less. You don't wanna answer every time I call you. You just say you sorry, you ain't wanting this. You ain't feel the same.
After we're done rubbing in our beard oil, we'll go ahead and use the beard palm. And so what this does, it helps style your hair that's there with shaping it. Because often after you're done, you might want to brush your hair or pick it out. And so just the beard palm is just going to help that hair sit and just remain with its nice shape.
Last one. I don't feel the same, yeah.
Our final step is going to be styling our hair with the brush and comb. So what I like to do is first use the brush, try and get my hair all going the right direction I might want. Once when I get that, then boom, switch over to my pick, get that going. And once when you find the right level that you want, you'll be ready to go. And here's my final result, nice and clean, ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you turn on those post notifications and just stay tuned for the next video to come.
You are the reason that I stay up thinking about you. Did it to myself, yeah, my heart was open, thinking all was well. Wrote a couple songs all about you.